Welcome to Technique 2, Self-Correction Instructions or Prompting. This is the second of 3 advanced techniques in this module. Self-correction is designed for high-stakes decisions and communications where errors can have significant business costs or consequences. Instead of hoping the AI's first response is good enough, you instruct it to generate an initial response, then review and improve its own work against specific criteria before delivering the final answer. This builds quality control directly into the AI process. Let's explore how self-correction works and when it's the right choice for your business scenarios. Self-correction is for high-stakes decisions where errors are costly. The diagram shows how it works. The AI generates an initial response, then switches into review mode against specific criteria you define, identifies potential issues or improvements, and delivers a corrected final version. It's a 2-pass system: draft and refine. The business benefit: built-in quality control. You're not hoping the first draft is good enough. You're systematically ensuring quality through structured self-review. This reduces errors in critical business communications and decisions where the cost of mistakes is too high to accept. Let's look at a real business example: responding to a frustrated customer about a service outage. This is exactly the kind of high-stakes communication where self-correction proves valuable. Here's the customer complaint. Your service has been down for 6 hours. This is unacceptable. We're losing money every minute. And the critical question: when will this be fixed and what compensation will you provide? Multiple concerns, high emotions, significant business impact. One poor response could cost you this customer. Let's see how self-correction helps. Here's how you structure a self-correction prompt. Start with the task. Draft a response to this customer complaint. Then comes the 2-stage instruction. First, draft your response. This is the generation stage. Then review it against specific criteria. Does it acknowledge their frustration? Does it provide specific resolution information? Does it address compensation professionally? Is the tone appropriate? These 4 checklist items give the AI clear quality criteria. Finally, provide your final corrected response. This explicit instruction ensures the AI doesn't just review, it actually improves the response based on what it found. Self-correction delivers professional responses that protect relationships and reputation. Here's what the 2-pass system catches. The review phase catches emotional blind spots. A first draft might sound cold, but the self-review adds appropriate empathy. Factual completeness gets verified. Every question answered, no gaps. Professional tone stays consistent even under pressure. The review catches defensive language that slips into first drafts when responding to frustrated customers. And systematic coverage ensures nothing gets overlooked. That 4th concern the customer mentioned gets addressed, not forgotten. This is what 1 pass misses that 2 passes catch. The difference between hoping it's good enough and knowing it is. Where else should you apply self-correction? In customer communications, use it for complaint responses and service issues. The value is maintaining professional tone under pressure and ensuring complete issue resolution. In compliance reviews, apply it to regulatory checks and policy validation. You get error reduction and comprehensive coverage of all compliance criteria. Both domains involve high stakes, where first drafts might miss critical elements and errors create significant business liability. Self-correction also excels in contract analysis and financial reports. For contract analysis, use it for term review and risk assessment. The value is accuracy, verification, and detection of overlooked details that could be costly later. In financial reports, apply it to audit preparation and stakeholder communications. You get data accuracy and professional presentation standards that reflect well on your organization. Both require high accuracy where errors are costly, comprehensive coverage where missing details create problems, and professional standards that reflect on your business. So when should you use self-correction? Use it for high-stakes scenarios where the cost of errors is significant. Specifically, use self-correction when errors have significant business costs like customer churn or liability. Use it when professional presentation is critical and reflects on your organization. Use it when comprehensive coverage is required and missing details creates problems. And use it when quality control must be systematic, not based on hope. Ask yourself, what's the cost if the AI's first draft has errors or misses something important? If the cost is high, use self-correction to build quality control directly into your process. Next, we'll explore few-shot learning for standardized responses.